In this step-by-step tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create a signature in Gmail. We will be using Canva for this particular design. So head over to Canva. If you are new to Canva, make sure that you sign up so that you can use the account. I have an existing account, so I have logged into my Canva account. This is the interface and this is how Canva looks like. So you head over to the search bar and type email signature. Over here, you scroll through and look for some free templates. So whenever you see this with a crown, it is a premium template and you cannot use it. But this is a free template. This is also a free template. We go ahead and click on this. When you click on this particular template, it's a free template and you can scroll down to further have access to more free templates. I prefer this one because it looks more nicer. So I'll just go ahead and click on this and select customize this template. You can replace this particular details with your own details. And over here, social media manager. And then if you have a website that you would want to be included in your email signature, you can go ahead and add that over here as well. You can add your phone number if you prefer. Then you have your email address, and there's your location. In case you want your location to be included in your email signature, you can go ahead and add that. After you are done with your customization and everything, make sure that you rename this and then you click on share. Go ahead to download it in PNG as suggested by Canva. I have my signature downloaded. I'll click on the new tab, then head over to Gmail. When you open Gmail, navigate your mouse to settings and then click on see all settings. Over here in settings, we scroll down to signature, signature, then you select create new. You give it a name, say business. You can give it a name of your choice, then you select create. Now that you have something like this, we head over to insert image, the image that you downloaded from Canva. You're going to insert this particular image over here as well. You click on insert image. You then go ahead to upload your email signature, the one that you downloaded from Canva. After clicking on insert, the image will be inserted for you. So over here, you can see that I have this particular image inserted for me. Okay, then let me zoom out. After you've successfully inserted this particular image, you scroll down and click on save changes. If you miss this, your signature will not be saved. Click on save changes. Then you come back to compose. I would do a sample message so that you can see what I am referring to. I have the email, I have the subject, which is sample message. And then I can say, Dear Nate, and say, Hope you are good. Hope you are well, it's okay. Then I navigate my mouse to this particular signature that says insert signature. Then you click on it. Then you select the name that you gave your signature. If you have multiple signatures, you go ahead and click on manage signatures like this. Then you can select from the signature that you have. But because we have just one, we go ahead and select business and your signature will be inserted in your email for you. So whenever you send out email and you insert this particular signature, it's going to appear. Let me send this email and open the other account so that you see. This is the message that I sent and this is how the signature is looking like. Okay, so when I sent it to this particular email, this is from Barbara Woolley and this person received it and this is how the signature is looking like. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave a comment and I would respond to them. There are other ways that you can insert a signature in your messages. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. I'll respond to them. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.